As we've seen from previous videos, neutral density or ND filters reduce the amount of light reaching the camera's imaging sensor. Less light equals a longer exposure or the use of a wider aperture. Freewell have given us some fantastic GoPro filters in the past, and if you're looking for extreme blur to produce some seriously creative shots, you'll want one of these alongside your GoPro gear, the Freewell ND1000. A 10-stop neutral density filter is an extreme version of an ND filter, reducing the amount of light transmitted by 1000 times. 10 stops, 3.0 density and 1000 times all refer to the same extreme density, practically black. Compatible with the GoPro Hero 6 as well as the Hero 5 and supplied within this handy tin storage case, the Freewell filter has a high quality construction which we've come to expect from all Freewell gear. A plastic frame houses the double-sided multi-layer coated optical glass for super high quality images or 4K video capture. That plastic frame also helps to reduce weight, and at only 4 grams the filter will have no ill effects even when using a gimbal system such as the Camera Grip. Installation is as simple as snapping the filter onto place over the GoPro's own lens. As with all snap fit filters, due to the tight grip you may find some of the colour rub away from your GoPro's lens housing, which I do find annoying, but I'd rather that than the filter slipping away while in use. And from here it's a matter of choosing your exposure settings and shooting away. The filter is designed to cut light from entering the lens by 10 stops, which makes it ideal for filming in very bright daytime conditions. The optical glass works effectively to slow down the shutter speed low enough to get crystal clear images or even objects in motion. As we can see from these sample images, it does a fantastic job in creating some really nice looking shots. Best suited to long exposure photography as well as objects in motion, the ND1000 filter from Freewell does a fantastic job in creating some really creative shots to mix into your video projects, as well as helping eliminate unwanted lens flare from the sun and spoiling the picture. Patience pays off with this filter, but wrapped up in the usual high quality finish we've come to expect from Freewell, if you're after producing similar shots there's no need to look any further. Freewell have you covered.